The Cheesecake Factory has been a staple in American dining for many years. I remember celebrating an anniversary there during college, and many friends have marked early career milestones at this iconic venue. I'm sure you have your own memorable experiences enjoying their fantastic cheesecake. There's no denying the appeal of the Cheesecake Factory. However, the restaurant industry is becoming increasingly competitive, with many rivals entering the scene. There are numerous excellent restaurants out there, with many fans claiming they surpass the Cheesecake Factory. Deciding whether they're right is up to you. I've compiled a list of some of the top contenders. These are presented in no particular order, so let's begin with Outback Steakhouse can be found in 49 states, with the exception of North Dakota. When it comes to food, they offer everything from delicious steaks and the iconic Bloomin Onion to the indulgent chocolate thunder from Down Under for dessert. Outback delivers great quality, mostly at excellent prices. While it may not boast the extensive variety found at the Cheesecake Factory, what it offers is executed exceptionally well. Outback is consistently a fantastic choice. Maggiano's can be found in 23 states across the U.S. with about 50 locations in total. Typically, you'll spot one in the largest city of each state, such as Atlanta, Kansas City, Phoenix, and Las Vegas. Moving on to the food, Maggiano's has always been a go-to spot for my family during special occasions, like my high school graduation or when my dad received a promotion at work. The food never disappoints, and the portions are quite generous. While they offer a range of classic Italian dishes, their chicken saltimbocca featuring chicken with prosciutto and truffle cream remains a long-standing favorite. For dessert, Vera's cookies provide a pleasant and light finish, especially if you've already indulged in a hearty meal. Bonefish Grill can be found in 27 states, with a particularly strong presence in Florida, where it boasts nearly 50 locations. As for the food, the seafood is truly exceptional. I highly recommend trying the cod imperial, which is stuffed with seafood, mozzarella, and parmesan, as well as their delicious tacos. The melting pot can be found in 30 states across the U.S., with a stronger presence in larger states. You won't find as many locations in places like Montana, Maine, and North Dakota. The experience is all about the food, offering a unique dining adventure. Fondue provides a fun way to enjoy your meal, allowing you to dip bread in cheese, cook your choice of protein in court bouillon, and finish with a dessert dipped in chocolate. For an extra special treat, try the Flaming Turtle Chocolate Fondue. It's sure to be a delicious highlight. P.F. Chang's boasts hundreds of locations across 39 states, plus Washington, D.C., making it accessible in most populated areas across the United States. While it may seem unusual to compare a Chinese restaurant to the Cheesecake Factory, it's worth noting that the Cheesecake Factory includes Chinese dishes like orange chicken on its expansive menu. Both restaurants cater to a similar, upscale chain clientele, and their atmospheres share certain similarities. If you're dining at P.F. Chang's, I highly recommend trying the Mongolian beef bowl with the lettuce wraps as an appetizer. And if you have room for dessert, don't miss the Great Wall of Chocolate. Cheddar's Scratch Kitchen can be found in 28 states, primarily in the South and Midwest, with nearly 200 locations in total. The food here is outstanding, crafted from high-quality ingredients that truly make a difference. For appetizers, the Wisconsin cheese bites, honey butter croissants, and queso fries come highly recommended. If you're really hungry, the ribeye is a great choice, as it's not commonly served at many places these days. Alternatively, consider trying the Monte Cristo if you're in the mood for something adventurous. Capital Grille has a presence in 30 states across the U.S., with around 70 locations mainly situated in major population centers like Dallas, Fort Worth, Phoenix, Seattle, Chicago, Philadelphia, New York, and Washington, D.C. When it comes to the food, their tenderloin with butter-poached lobster tails is an exceptional surf and turf option. If you have room for dessert, the cheesecake is highly recommended and considered by some to surpass offerings from the Cheesecake Factory. While dining here can be pricey, with meals easily exceeding $200, the experience is well worth the cost. Longhorn Steakhouse boasts nearly 600 locations spread across 43 states, making it accessible almost everywhere except the Pacific Northwest. When it comes to the food, Longhorn is known for its great steaks, generous appetizers, and good prices, offering excellent value. It's one of the more upscale chain restaurants, though not quite at the level of Capital Grille. The atmosphere is professional, with the staff taking both their roles and the food seriously. The porterhouse steak in particular stands out as an authentic and satisfying choice. Carrabba's Italian Grill boasts over 200 locations across 29 states. While they're prevalent throughout the lower 48, you won't find them in the Upper Plains states, the Pacific Northwest, the Upper Northeast, or in New Mexico, Arkansas, and West Virginia. When it comes to their menu, Carrabba's offers great Italian cuisine served in generous portions. If you're visiting for the first time, consider starting with the shrimp scampi or calamari. For your main course, the chicken piccata or chicken parmesan are excellent choices. To top off your meal, indulge in their tiramisu or the aptly named chocolate dream cake, known as sogno di cioccolata. Chili's boasts an impressive presence with over 1,200 locations across 49 states, with Oregon being the only state without one. Recently, Chili's has made significant strides in enhancing its menu, particularly with their 3-for-Me meal deal, which has attracted a wider range of fans. Personally, whenever I visit Chili's, I find myself choosing between their delicious burgers or their savory fajitas. I couldn't wrap up without acknowledging the Cheesecake Factory. There's a reason it's often the benchmark for many restaurants. Now, in terms of location, they're spread across 41 states, primarily in major metropolitan areas. As for the food, their name might give you a clue, but it's not the whole story. The Cheesecake Factory offers a variety of delicious dishes. However, where they truly shine is in their extraordinary range of cheesecake flavors. Personally, I adore the cookie dough lover's cheesecake with pecans, with the Godiva chocolate cheesecake a very close second. Here we have 10 competitors, each with fans who would confidently say they've surpassed the Cheesecake Factory. Each competitor has strong points, whether it's their pricing, variety, or quality, and each offers wonderful attributes worth considering. Now let's explore what makes each of them stand out. What do you think? Leave us a comment to let us know. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to The Coconut Mama on YouTube at youtube.com/thecoconutmama for more.